What is going on, everybody? Today I'm going to talk about this 10-inch kids tablet. We're going to get it out of the box, go over some more details, and show you how to use it. All right, and here's what it looks like out of the box. As you can see, it looks really nice. Plenty large enough screens for your kids to enjoy. The case goes all the way around, which will protect all the edges from drops and unwanted damages. The case has a nice, soft, padded feel to it, so it's comfortable to use. We've got this stand/handle on the back that can be spun like this and locked into different positions. And you can fold it out like this and have it stand up on a desk. Also on the back, you have a camera right up here at the top, as well as there is a front camera on this tablet also. There's two speakers located at the bottom on each side. There's one here and one here. Some other important features of this tablet are it has an 8,000 milliamp battery, which is going to last you a long time. It supports Wi-Fi 6. It has a quad-core processor. You can wirelessly cast it to your TV screen. And of course, we've got some nice parental control features. All right, let's go ahead and power this thing up. Okay, and the first thing that comes up is a nice little welcome screen. We're just going to hit English and hit start. It's going to ask you to connect to your Wi-Fi network. All right, and we've connected to Wi-Fi. Now it says getting your tablet ready. All right, once the tablet finishes its thing, you will have to sign in with a Google account or make a new one for your kid if you don't have one. It's super simple and quick. And then you'll be brought to a screen like this where it says set up Google Kids Space. And this is definitely a good thing to have if you want good parental control through the Google applications. So we're just going to hit set up. And then here you can see we can allow teacher approved apps. You can hide recommended apps with in-app purchases or advertisements. We can set a schedule or a time limit. And here's where you can uncheck any apps that you don't want your kid to have access to. And now we could install the Family Link app onto our phone and we could control the parental controls from the phone. And the first thing it's saying is pick what you like. So the child could pick out, they like music, maybe animals. So you can see it's really interactive and nice. So now we need to push the button. So we're finally on the little home screen here, and it looks like it can tell jokes. You can search up animals and stuff that we selected. Definitely some cool features in here for your child. It'll entertain them, I'm sure. Now they can watch any type of video content that you select for them or play any games that you might want to approve. So that's pretty much a quick glance at this kid's tablet. There's a lot of features you can go into and check out. And of course, you can just lock the screen by using the power button here. We've got some ports across the top here. We've got a USB-C charging port, which the cable is included in the power brick. And then you've got an SD card slot, the headphone jack, volume up and down, and a power button/lock screen button. So if you're looking for a nice kids tablet that you can use parental control on and keep track of all the apps that your kids use and schedule it and everything like that, I highly recommend this one right here. It's very intuitive and it works super easy. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching and I hope you all have a great day.